welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day, and if you're new here, hello, my name is Hannah and I post weekly or twice weekly. I'm still working out a schedule at the moment. Videos around lifestyle, fashion and home. So if that is your kind of thing, I'd absolutely love it if you'd subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Yeah, Sundays and or Thursdays. Sundays, Thursdays. That's my days currently for uploads. But yeah, I'm still trying to come up with a schedule. But anyway, let's talk about today's video. Today's video is a get ready with me, my first get ready with me. So yeah, I'm really excited about that. And I also take you along to Mark's brothers and his wife's UK wedding do. So yeah, to give a little bit of context for that, I mentioned in my last video that they came over for Christmas from America. Basically, we were meant to be going to their wedding in August in Atlanta, America, but obviously due to the state that has been this year, we weren't able to go. So yeah, when they came over for Christmas, we had a little UK wedding do for them up north, which was really nice for their friends and family, for their UK friends and family. So yeah, that's basically what I take you on, and that's what I'm getting ready for in this video. So yeah, without further ado, we will get into it, and I really hope you enjoy it. If you are looking forward to it, then please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I think I've said that already. Yeah, enjoy. Just want to say a quick note actually before I start the video. The lighting is not the best when I'm doing my makeup, so I do pop back on with much better lighting so that you can see the full look. So just let you know that now. Okay, so I've put my serum and moisturizer on. I'm now just going to use my Anika Pure Primer. I do have a mirror right here. I do not know how people just do this in the camera. Okay, so next I've got my Anika Organic concealer in the shade Sand. This will be, I mean, this is too pale for me when I have tan on, but obviously with concealer you can go a little bit lighter. I just love this concealer, it's so good. Like, I've used ones in the past that's like, I don't know, a bit watery and it just doesn't stay. This is like, oh, it's just so thick and it just stays in place all day. So yeah, I just use that on any spots I've got, and then all around my eyes, and then I probably will just put some like around these darker parts of my nose. It's like basically like here, 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 here that I use it. I'm guessing that's the same for most people. Okay, so we are all concealed. I know that some people do like their eyes next. I don't. I like to just do foundation. Right, so because I've got tan on, I'm going to use, I mean, it's rubbed off, but it's Anika Organic again. It's their certified organic liquid foundation with hyaluronic acid. This shade is beige, so this is what I use when I'm like a tiny bit tan, so when my tan's coming off, or if I'm wearing no tan, it's too dark for my face, but I don't want to look like really pasty. So yeah, when I'm tanned, I use honey. To be honest with you, this is warmer than my tan, because obviously tans tend to be quite orangey and yellowy. I just haven't like had the time to like go out and find one that exactly matches. So, but I generally wear my hair down, and it definitely blends in. Like it's dark, it's just not quite the right tone. So yeah, let's get on with the foundation. Oh yeah, and then I just use like a flat foundation brush. I've tried using what are they called? Well, more like non-flat foundation brushes or sponges. I just don't like it. I've had this for absolutely years. It's from MAC. So that is my foundation done. Sorry, I don't know how good the lighting is, but I like quite a full coverage. I mean, some people might not think this is full. I guess there's different levels, but yeah, I feel like I've used quite a lot. And I know some people like to obviously like contour with their concealer. I tend not to be honest. I don't find the contour around the eyes makes me look any like more attractive. I don't know, it might make me look better at makeup, I don't know. And I've had a fringe like my whole life until recently, so I've never really bothered like contouring here either. Again, I feel like it doesn't make any difference. The cheeks, however, love to contour, so yeah, I'm gonna do those next. I just use an old brush from MAC. It's like a, what do you call that, like on a slant. You can tell I'm not a makeup expert. And then I just use like a Topshop bronzer here. Again, it's an old one, but you know, I like it. So yeah, actually it is called contour powder rather than bronzer. So yeah, I just like to try and carve out some cheekbones. Okay, so next up I have this really old Body Shop cheek and eye palette. So I just use that as a blusher basically, and like will blend out the contour. The light is like a bit weird, so I don't know if you can see that, but I do like to have quite a defined contour, so I tend to like do that at the end as well. Yeah, I know there's like this new trend where you put like blush on your nose as well. I mean, I say new trend, it was around a few months ago. I don't know if it's still popular now, like a TikTok thing. Obviously not that down with the kids. And I'm not really fussed about doing it. So I tend to always go warm on my eyes. I don't know, I just think it's flattering, especially like if I'm paler. It kind of helps like warm the face up a little bit. So I probably just do like a mix of these two shades on the actual lids. Oh yeah, and then those brushes, these are both just Anika brushes that I got in like a set. Okay, so that is the lids done, and I'm gonna crease with the brown. When I say crease, I'm gonna put it in the crease of my eyes. I'm not doing like a cut crease or anything like that. I'm not obviously a makeup expert. I don't really tend to like properly take my shadow out to my brows. Like I will just put like a little bit of shimmer on it to try and like blend it in a little bit. Okay, now I'm just gonna gel my brows. Oh yeah, this is Lavera eyebrow styling gel. I just get it from Amazon. It's like $7.99 or something. Lavera is just like a bit more of a natural brand than certain brands, and it's quite cheap. So yeah, I just ordered it one day and I thought, oh, I like that, so I've just stuck with it basically. I'll just set those in place, and then I tend to like push them down carefully. Okay, whilst my eyebrows are drying, I'm gonna do my lips. So I just use this Burt's Bees tinted lip balm, which is that kind of a colour. And then a few years ago, all I'd wear was lipstick. I had so many like MAC lipsticks, so many different colours. But I prefer to just use a lip balm and then a lip liner, because then there's no like having to match, buying a million lip liners to match to a lipstick. I just use like the lip liner as a lipstick, or I'll use a lip liner as the lip liner and then a gloss in the middle. So yeah, and the lip balm helps to obviously keep your lips moisturized and also like blend it in so you're not getting like any jaggedy bits, if that makes sense. I've just got this kind of like warm brown. This is really old, from Primark. It's obviously not natural at all, but it was £1. Okay, so I've lined them and I just like blend them a little bit with my lips, and then I'm I'm going with a gloss. So I've got this iconic London gloss in the shade Peekaboo, which is like a pinky one, which I know doesn't exactly match the brownie vibes, but it's so sheer that like it really, you don't notice it. It's a lip plumping one as well, so it's got like peppermint in it, so it feels normal at the moment, but it will start tingling in a sec. Okay, so now my eyebrows are dry. I've just got this really thin pencil, eyebrow pencil from Revolution. It's the shade, I think it's the shade Dark. Yeah, it's just like a really thin one, so I'll just fill in like any tiny gaps. Okay, so those are filled in. I feel like I didn't really need it, to be honest. I've got quite full brows, but oh well. So my favourite thing next are my lash curlers. I did curl them a bit earlier, so they're not looking too bad, but normally they like sink down. So yeah, I literally cannot live without these. These are from Tweezerman, by the way. See the difference? Okay, now those are curled. I'm using my Anika Bold Lash Mascara. Okay, so this is pretty much the finished look. Before I go out, I will do another layer of mascara. I will top up my eyeshadow and my lips, and I'll top up everything basically. Hey guys, it's now a few days later, and I just wanted to jump on because the lighting was terrible and I ran out of time to tell you about the N2 products. I've just done the exact same makeup that I talked through, but I didn't have time to show you before my highlighter. So this is the Urban Decay Afterglow 8-hour powder highlighter. I actually should probably get a new one of these because it's terrible, but I feel like there's still so much product and obviously it works exactly the same. So yeah, I just add that to obviously like the tops of my cheekbones, and yeah, I've always just used a finger. A little bit underneath, or kind of to blend like the shadow in, and just to highlight underneath my brows. Tiny bit on the tip of my nose and my Cupid's bow. Although I've already put my lipstick on, I really should have done that before because I don't want to ruin my lip, you know. So you can see the highlight there. I feel like I put a bit too much on there. And then I just finish off with the iconic London Prep Set Glow. You can use this before you start your makeup. I don't tend to, I don't know, it's kind of, I just find it's good to just add like a bit of a dew at the end. I just feel like I don't really need it at the start. So yeah, if you mix it up, you can see it goes really glittery. It looks quite scary, not glitter, but shimmery. It looks quite scary. It doesn't look like this on the face. So yeah, I just finish off with that. I don't want to like, I never want to like breathe it in afterwards because I'm like, what is in that? So yeah, it's just for like a dewy glow, and it also sets your makeup as well. So yeah, I hope you find this, this lighting better. And yeah, this is the final look that I did the other night. So yeah, I'll let you get back on with the rest of the video now. Bye. Okay.
It's on video. Do you want
It's not sick.
Yeah, it does.
You can't. Chan.
Oh. Oh, could I?
No, I know.
Oh, yeah, it looks amazing. Oh, the cake.
I got a card.
With like.
Cute.
All right, well, we just want to, myself and Bailey, just want to thank everyone for coming tonight. It's been a long time coming, but I'm just so happy to see all these faces, family, friends, and we love you all so much. So, to Bailey and myself.
Okay, now we have to cut another piece. Ready? What are you gonna cut? Ready, hold on to it. I'm down there in case anybody's taking a photo of us.
So cute.
Features the running group, please.
Okay, so that is the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I really wanted to include the original clips with all of the dancing at the end. Sorry, not original clips, original music. Well, yeah, I guess the full original clip. But I couldn't because I get copyrighted. So yeah, sorry about that. To be fair, the music, I think for most of those clips was Christmas music anyway, which I feel like everyone might be over. So maybe that's a good thing. But yeah, copyright is a pain. But yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please comment below. Let me know what you thought. Let me know what you thought of the party. Let me know what you thought of my makeup. And yeah, let me know if you want me to do more get ready with me's as well. So yeah, and also do subscribe if you are yet to. That would be absolutely great. So for my next video, I'm not entirely sure what it's going to be, but I think it's going to be a what I got for Christmas / Christmas haul video. I've really been wanting to film it, but I've actually still got a few more Christmas presents to open that I'm receiving in a few days' time. So yeah, I'm gonna wait till then so that I can kind of decide what to include and everything. But yeah, that will likely be the next video, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, and thanks for watching again, and I hope that you guys are having a really good day.